And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to quickly remove acne in Adobe Photoshop. It's very simple when you've got only small acne on the skin. For bigger projects I will certainly make a different video and upload it in my photo editing playlist. But what we basically need for the smaller acne spots is the spot healing brush. You can change the size over here. It's kind of like the regular brush. And then just left click and drag on the areas that you want to affect. You can see I do that on a new layer, and I would advise you to do the same. That way we don't directly work on the original, and we can use this layer to make the effect seem more natural. Here's the before and after. And now I can go down with this layer that I've called retouching, reduce the opacity and then go upwards, maybe to 90% in this case. And that way we have reduced the acne, but it still looks natural. And you need to watch out that you only remove acne in images and not these beauty spots. Sometimes when you affect areas that are a little bit too big, let me show you this, on the chin area right below the lips. When I drag like this, you can see that it doesn't blend that well with the environment. So I've got undertype in the top menu content aware selected, but it still doesn't look that natural. So you need to watch out that you play around with the brush size and only click on the spots where there's actual acne to be removed. And this is how you can remove acne in Adobe Photoshop. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.